Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the element of space. We call this the illusion of depth. In a 2D work of art, you have to be creative in how you show that something is further away. And there's a few ways you can do that. You can overlap shapes, which forces something forwards and something backwards. You can play with the size. When something is large, it's really close to you. When it's small, it's further away. And you can also play with value. When something is darker, it's going to be closer. And as it gets further away, it gets lighter. Now this happens in real life. I bet you've seen it and you never actually thought about it. We're going to use Autodesk Sketchbook. This is a free app that you can download. On your personal device, you can get it from the iTunes Store. If you're one of my students, you can get it from the Manager app. Type in Sketchbook or Autodesk Sketchbook and it should pop up. It's amazing this app is free because it has so many really awesome capabilities. Let's talk about first the color. That's going to be very important today. Now, if you click on the top right, there's an oval with a circle. If you click on that, it will open your color selection. Now, there's a ring and a square. The ring is where you control your hue or your color. So if I drag it to purple, and then I control the circle on the inside of the square, that controls the value. So going from dark to light. First, you'll need to choose a color. I'm going to use purple, and I'm going to start with the darkest purple I can get, which could just be black if I want to. I'm going to draw a wiggly line that goes across the bottom of my paper. I'm going to use my fill tool at the top to fill it in. Now I'm going to turn my fill tool off, and then I'm going to get a lighter version of that color, which will be kind of a dark purple. And I'm going to make another line that goes across above my first set of mountains. I'll use my fill tool to fill it in. I'll repeat this pattern, getting lighter and lighter. Finally, I'm going to finish my picture by adding a beautiful sky. I'm going to create a new layer by hitting the plus on the right side of my screen. I'm going to drag my mountains to the top by holding my finger down on them. I could fill my background using a solid color. Maybe since I use purple, I could use the complement, yellow, or sunset colors. It's kind of up to you. You could also try using one of the gradient fills. Be sure that you are on a separate layer than your mountains for this. The mountains need to be on top of your background layer. Select the middle option, the linear gradient fill, and click your background. The cool thing is you can actually change your colors in your gradient fill. So I'm changing my orange to yellow. I'm changing my yellow to white. For some extra fun, I'm going to create a third layer Now I'm going to put it between my two layers. I'm going to use my circle tool at the top, and I'm going to draw a circle. I made mine white, and I went ahead and filled it in. Select the layer that has the sun, and then click the Move option at the top, and you can move it around. And you could also try the radial fill. To save, you'll hit the square on the top left, click Share, and Save Image. For this lesson, you'll need to create at least 5 levels. Each level should be a different value. Add a contrasting color in the sky. And finally, save or screenshot and turn in. Get creative and have some fun.